Hey, what's up? Saurabh Bhatnagar this side. Let me show you the ultimate feature release AI marketing suite that we released yesterday, and it is going to do your complete marketing work for you. So whatever marketing content and whatever marketing that you need for your promotional activities for your sales, that is something it is going to do for you. And the best part is it is going to work like the top marketer, the top copywriter, the top conversion person, they are all working together to do your marketing for you. So that is how it has been trained. The AI has been trained with a lot of data, with a lot of insights, with a lot of top conversion strategies, and that is how it is going to do your marketing for you. So I'm just going to show you how it is going to work, but let me show you, for example, let's say I was just doing a training for my own team, and I was showing them, let's suppose, creating a campaign for the toothpaste brand, and let's say for something like this. We created a few ad hooks. So it is, by the way, it is going to do multiple jobs for you. So it is going to write down your emails, your ad copies. It will give you upsell ideas, headlines, and you can get it to do some custom task, ad hooks, video ad script, sales page copy, page copy, webinar messaging. And this is just the starting of it, by the way. We just released this yesterday. There are a lot of new tasks which are adding over here. For example, sales video and so many other, like random emails, so whatever it is. So we are continuously adding over here. So for example, if I will take you over there, if I just talk about the ad hooks that we just generated for the toothpaste brand. So have a look at this. Hey, is that shooting pain when you sip cold water actually trying to tell you something serious? So this is something which is very hooking. And all the ad hooks that you're going to see over here, they are like very, very hooking. So basically, if I talk about marketing in general a little bit, marketing, I was just doing a training for my team also. Marketing in general is all about making the customer feel and react to it in a way that they should feel like, yeah, this is me, and they should feel like, yes, this is just made for me. Because at the end of the day, in marketing, customers are only going to pay for the problems, for the solution to their problems, and you need to show them the exact problem. They need to feel like that this is my exact problem, and only then they are going to pay for it. So to that level, we have done the training of our AI marketing suite, and it will understand your product, and then it is going to do the marketing for you, just like it just did for for this toothpaste brand, or maybe we also did for the weight loss customer. So if you will see the kind of, let's say, ad copy that was generated. So let's have a look at this. Stop scrolling if you are a working woman who has tried everything to lose weight but nothing fits your crazy schedule. And then you will have the full ad copy or something like this. I avoid looking at myself in full length mirrors and hate how I look in photos. Now imagine this. This is such a powerful copy. The target customer, a working female who is now overweight, that person will definitely stop when she will see a copy like this. And that is the whole point of the right messaging, to make your customers stop when they see your message, right? So, and then there's the whole copy that you are getting. So for your ads, for your scripts, for your video script, for everything. So at the end of the day, marketing should hit on various principles. So for example, when we talk about the end user, it should hit with respect to the pain point, the fears, the frustration, the insecurities, the primary outcomes, the desired outcomes, the dream outcomes. Like, they should feel like, yeah, this is exactly what I want. This is exactly who I am. This is the exact transformation that I want. And when the marketing hits at that level, when the marketing hit at this level, that, hey, you know what, this is the exact pain point that I now hate how I look in the photos or whatever. So this is going to take your marketing to the next level. And this AI marketing suite is going to be the biggest game changer with respect to the online marketing world and in your business specifically, because this is going to produce the kind of content and the sales content for you which is going to get you results, which is going to get you eyeballs. And it is not just stopping over there. We are giving you the ad copy, we are giving you the ad image suggestion. Now you can go to ChatGPT and create the ad images out of it, right? So get that done. Or we are also giving you, let's suppose, in the video ad script, for example, we are also giving you the video ad full scripts, and we are giving you the email, the WhatsApp, or anything. So let's say if I just have to show you how to get it done, maybe let's create a new profile, okay, new customer profile. So the first step is, and see how simple this is, the whole process from your side, it's very, very simple. You just need to do just 1 minute job, okay? So for example, let's suppose you are somebody who helps people with, let's say, makeup. Okay, let's say makeup for working females. Okay, let's suppose this is your niche. Just an example. So, who is the target audience? Working females who do not get enough time for makeup and also don't want to use chemicals. Just an example, okay? Our product is designed to help them with. So over here you will be mentioning that, hey, I will give you quick makeup tips that you can use on the go. Okay, maybe we can remove this part. Don't want to use chemicals, whatever. So what are the customer pain points? Don't get enough time between schedule and when work makeup gets disturbed. Okay, so let's create the customer profile first. Okay, so it is going to create the profile and then it is going to do the other job for you. So in the meantime, I will just pause this video and restart it once again. Okay, so after the first step is done, the customer profile is now created. It takes about 2 to 3 minutes. So now you can use your AI marketing suite to do any task for you. So for example, you will select the profile and then whatever task you want to get done. For example, let's suppose you want ad hooks, or maybe you want video ad script, or maybe you want some ad copies, whatever it is, right? So for example, let's create some ad copies and let's say makeup campaign. Okay, so goal of the ad is, let's say, book a personal one-to-one consultation. Let's say this is the goal of the ad. Okay, for rupees 499. A desired ultimate end outcome for the audience, look good with makeup tips that are super quick to follow and also should be healthy for skin, right? Why should your audience believe that you can help them achieve the results? Let's say top makeup expert recognized by the top celebrities. Just an example, okay? So whatever you want to put, whatever your credentials would be, and how will this action you want to take them make the customer journey of achieving the end goal easy, fast, and safe? Proven methods have helped 500 plus females already. Okay, so we can add some more details, but it's okay. So we will just click on create the campaign, and now our AI marketing suite is going to work behind the scenes once again and is going to produce all the marketing work for you. Okay, so the whole thing is now you're going to see the ad copies, and similarly you can get any other task done. But the whole point is that the kind of quality work that you are going to see from here is something that, you know, when you will outsource your work to a marketing agency or to some marketers, I mean, you know, you are not going to see this kind of work. In fact, let me tell you, now going forward, all the top agencies, and if you are an agency or a freelancer, everybody will be dependent on just this, because this is the kind of stuff in which we have given the data of the top Indian funnels plus the data of the top legendary marketers, copywriters, with everything being done and, you know, there in the back end. All of that is producing the marketing content for you. So it is like the top to copywriter and marketer doing the marketing for you, and now you just need to present it in the right way, you know, run the ads, use it for your marketing. So from the starting of the journey, let's suppose when you're setting up your business, the first thing you need is an ad with respect to, you know, getting in front of the customer. Of course, provided your website and funnel is ready, and for that also FlexiFunnels does the job for you, because we help you with website and funnels. And just yesterday we released one single prompt website generation, so now you will be able to gives just one prompt that, hey, make my stock market website, and your whole let's say website is going to be ready, right? So that is something which is done. So ad is ready, your whole website content is ready with the help of FlexiFunnels. It also produces your sales page content and your webinar page content, or all of your other content that you need. And then after that, let's suppose, if you want to stay in touch with your subscribers, so email and WhatsApp content, all of that is ready. So your whole marketing, everything is getting done with the help of this AI marketing suite. And if you will see, have a look at this. From faded to flawless, the 5-minute makeup secret busy professionals are using. Tired of your makeup disappearing by lunch? This 5-minute solution lasts all day. Have a look at this. You know the feeling. It's 2 p.m. You catch your reflection before a big meeting, and your fully applied makeup has vanished. Meanwhile, that colleague who always looks perfect, still flawless, whatever. So, if you will see, the whole idea, the whole kind of copy that is generated is way to next level, right? And there is so much more to it. It will have the image suggestion, it will have the copy suggestion, it will have the video suggestion. So when we'll give you the video ad script, for example, you will create the video ad script from here. So it will also give you the visuals, what kind of visuals that you should be creating. That is also something which is next level, right? So there is a lot inside AI marketing suite. Start using it. You're absolutely going to love it. And yeah, more than happy to help you with FlexiFunnels as a whole to set up and scale your online businesses.